Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have complete explanation of lesson 6 fun and games. So students, in this video we will start exercise and question answers of this lesson. So take your EVS book and open page number 29. Okay. So students, this is your page number 29 and this is the exercise of your lesson 6 fun and games, and we will start from question A. Question A, fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the box. So students, here we have some sentence and some blanks also. Here we have some sentence and blanks also. And students, look here. Here we have a box and some words. Here we have a box and some words. So students, we have to fill these blanks with the help of this help box. Okay. So first one is fun is necessary for life. L-I-F-E, life. Fun is necessary for life. L-I-F-E. Students, write correct spellings. Okay, write correct spellings. Fun is necessary for life. L-I-F-E, life. Okay. Now turn your page. Now students, second one is we have fun with the family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. We have fun with the family. Okay, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Okay. Next one, fun refreshes our body and mind. Fun refreshes our body and mind. M-I-N-D, mind. Fun refreshes our body and mind. Okay. Fourth one is we have fun by doing indoor and outdoor activities. We have fun by doing indoor and outdoor activities. O-U-T-D-O-O-R, outdoor activities. Okay. Again, look here students. First one is fun is necessary for life. Second one is we have fun with the family. Fun refreshes our body and mind. We have fun by doing indoor and outdoor activities. Understood all of you? Very good. Next one, write the names of our things you like to do in your free time. So students, in this question we have 4 lines, and in this question you have to write those things you have to do in your free time. Means students, in this question you have to write those things you have to do in your free time. Okay, like this. First one is read, second one is play, third one is sleep, and fourth one is jumping. And students, you can write any other activity also. Means you have to write your free activities, your free time activities. Means students, आपको यहाँ पर वह एक्टिविटीज़ लिखनी है जो आप अपने फ्री टाइम में करना लाइक करते हो. ओके फ्रेंड्स, मैम ने यहाँ पर ये 4 एक्टिविटीज़ लिखी हैं, लेकिन अगर आप चाहते हो कि जगह कोई और एक्टिविटीज़ भी लिख सकते हैं. जैसे रीड की जगह आप जॉगिंग, रनिंग कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. आप क्वेश्चन बी में आपको अपने लाइक एक्टिविटीज़ लिखनी है जो आप अपनी फ्री टाइम में करना पसंद करते हो. ओके, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो मैम ने लिखी है वही आपको लिखनी है. ये बिल्कुल भी कंपलसरी नहीं है कि जो भी मैम ने लिखा है आपको वही लिखना है ओनली इसी क्वेश्चन में. ओके, ब्लैंक फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में नहीं. क्वेश्चन बी में ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो एक्टिविटीज़ मैम ने लिखी है आपको वही एक्टिविटीज़ लिखनी है. So okay students, understood all of you? If you want, then you can write any other activity also. Okay. Now Question C. Write the names of 4 things you enjoy when you go out with your family for fun. Okay, understood all of you? Means you can write any other activity also in this question. Okay, it is not compulsory that you have to write this activity, but if you want then you can write any other activity. Means अगर आप चाहते हो तो आप दूसरी एक्टिविटी भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, understood all of you students? Very good. Question C is write the names of 4 things you enjoy when you go out with your family for fun. Questions like as previous question. In this question we have 4 lines, and in this question you have to write those things, those you have to do with your family. ओके, मीन्स आपको यहाँ पे 4 ऐसी थिंग लिखनी है जो आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ करना पसंद करते हैं. ओके, लाइक दिस प्लेइंग, शॉपिंग. इफ़ यू वांट देन यू कैन राइट एनी अदर एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो, बट आपको यहाँ पर वह एक्टिविटी लिखनी है जो आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ इंजॉय करना पसंद करते हैं. ओके, लाइक एज शॉपिंग, प्लेइंग, रनिंग, वॉचिंग टीवी. ओके, एक्सेट्रा एज यू लाइक. Understood all of you now? Means question B and question C do yourself. Question B and question C do yourself as your likes. So students, understood all of you? In question B and question C you can write any activity that you like. Okay students, now students we will start our question answers in our EVS notebook. So students, take your EVS notebook and open new page. Now students, we will start question answers of lesson 6. And students, one thing also, we will start our lesson 6 from new page. Okay, so firstly we will write today's date here. Firstly we will write today's date, and after this in first line we will write lesson number, LESSON, lesson 6 lesson number. So in first line we will write lesson number, lesson 6. Okay, and after one line we will write lesson name, fun and games, FUN, fun, and GAMES, games. Okay, again I will tell you, listen to me carefully. Firstly you will write corner on the page today's date. Okay, and in first line you have to write lesson number, lesson 6, and after one line you have to write lesson name, fun and games. Okay, understood all of you students? Very good. And students, जैसे मैम ने गुड हैंड राइटिंग में राइट किया है, नीट एंड क्लीन, बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपको भी नीट एंड क्लीन राइट करना है. ओके, question answers. Question first is, and students you have to write questions in your notebook, questions with the help of your book from here. Okay, so students, let's start. Question first, which indoor game do you like to play most? Which indoor game do you like to play most? So answer is carom and ludo. So students, in this lesson you have to give question answer of the questions as you wish. Okay, so answer of the question, so answer of question first is question first is, which indoor game do you like to play most? So answer is carom and ludo, CARROM, carom, and LUDO, ludo. Okay, and students, one thing also, if you want then you can write any other game also that you like. Okay, अगर आप चाहें स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप चाहें तो आप इस यहाँ पर कोई और गेम भी राइट कर सकते हैं, इंडोर गेम जो आप प्ले करना लाइक करते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? लाइक एज चेस एक्सेट्रा. ओके, मैम ने जो लिखा है ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको वही लिखना है, लेकिन अगर आप चाहें तो आप चेंज भी कर सकते हैं इसे. Which indoor game do you like to play most? So answer is Carom and Ludo. CARROM Carom and LUDO Ludo. Okay. Second one is, where do you play after doing your homework in the evening? So where do you play after doing your homework in the evening? So आप homework के बाद कहाँ पर खेलते हो? So answer is in park. INPARK park. Okay, in park. PARK park. Okay. Question third. Which program do you like to watch most? Which program do you like to watch most? आपको कौन सा प्रोग्राम देखना अच्छा लगता है? So answer is cartoons. And again, if you want, then you can write any other program name also. So CARTOONS, cartoons. Okay. And fourth one is, what do you do mostly on Sundays? What do you do mostly on Sundays? Then आप Sundays में mostly क्या करते हैं? So students, answer of this, we visit our relatives. WEVISIT, visit. OUR, or relatives. RELATIVES, relatives. Understood all of you? Again look here students. Firstly, you have to write today's date on the corner of the page. After this, in first line, you have to write lesson number. After one line, you have to write lesson name and question answers. And you have to write questions with the help of the book. Okay. Question first, which indoor game do you like to play most? So answer is Carom and Ludo. Second one, where do you play after doing your homework in the evening? In park. Question third, which program do you like to watch most? So answer is cartoons. And fourth one is, what do you do mostly on Sundays? So answer is, we visit our relatives. And students, one thing also, आपकी EVS नोटबुक वन साइडेड है, मीन्स आपकी EVS नोटबुक में वन साइड पेज लाइनिंग है और वन साइड ब्लैंक. ओके ओके, अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू स्टूडेंट्स. सो आपको इसी तरह की EVS नोटबुक बनानी है. ओके. एंड जैसे मैम ने गुड हैंड राइटिंग में राइट किया, आपको इसी तरह राइट करना है. So students, complete your work, means complete your exercise work in your EVS book and complete your question answer work in your EVS notebook. Okay, very carefully and honestly. Understood all of you? And write in good handwriting and write neat and clean. Understood? And students, learn also for your unit test. Learn, do revision for preparation for your unit test. Okay students. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.